It describes here that the Lord is just like a desire tree. A desire tree fills all the desires of the devotee and provides wonderful things. Whatever one desires, the desire tree provides. Of course, there may be some misconception that what kind of desire tree is the Lord? That whatever the Lord is giving, whatever the devotee wants, the Lord is giving. There's an example about one devotee who was so fortunate as to achieve association with a desire tree. So first thing, he thought, now I can desire whatever I want. So let me desire that I can have 10 kilos of gold. Oh, desire tree, give me 10 kilos, 22 pounds, of pure 24-karat gold. Immediately he gets the gold. Oh, look at gold, gold! I've got gold! So wonderful to have gold! So what else can I desire? Dear desire tree, please give me a 37-room house filled with servants and all kind of provisions. There it is! Look at that house! Wow! This desire tree is really wonderful. Now what will I desire? I can be a king. Desire tree, make me the king of a huge nation called America. Oh, look it! I'm the king of America. This desire tree is really fun. Anything I want, I can get. But what if I think that right now a tiger was going to come and oh no! Oh, he ate me! You see, that kind of desire tree is not what's being talked about. Because Krishna would not give to an ignorant person that facility. He would desire a tiger come and eat him. Because people are so mad with sense gratification. So only the pure devotee, he won't desire for 22 kilos of gold for his sense gratification and for a big house for his sense gratification, or for the kingdom of any country on the world for his sense gratification. He, being mature, will desire, what can I offer to Krishna? Today I'd like to have some nice mangoes, papaya, pineapple. Let me offer a nice fruit plate to Rukmini Dwarkadish. You see. Or he may desire to offer any beautiful garland. So he may say, well, here I only get a few flowers, so I'd like to have golob champa, rose, lotus, gardenia, so many different. So anything that he wants, that fruit, that desire tree would offer. But he'd only desire those things to use in the Lord's service. He doesn't want to enjoy himself. His enjoyment is giving satisfaction and pleasure to the Lord, because he's a pure devotee. So except for pure devotees, generally speaking, others are not allowed to get the facility of this desire tree, because they don't know what is good for them. So Dhruva Maharaj, he could understand all these things, that the Lord, one can get anything he wants from him. But if someone goes to Mr. Ford or Rockefeller, and if he happens to be charitably disposed to give something, if he goes after great difficulty and then says, my dear multimillionaire, please give me one handful of cigarette ashes, then he would be crazy to ask for such a thing. One should then approach him and say, my dear sir, please give me enough fund to build a beautiful front for our Rukmini Dwarkadish temple. Why should we go and ask Him for just some ashes or useless thing? So like that, if we go to Krishna and ask Him that, my dear Krishna, please give me a nice car, please give me a nice house, please give me nice food, please arrange something so I can pay for my rent. If we just ask for all these things, actually we're very foolish, because Krishna has so much more to give. God has the greatest thing to give. No matter what we accumulate in this life, in the form of material possessions, at time of death it'll all be finished, from dust to dust. So the real thing to ask from God is His pure devotion, His pure loving devotion, because that never ends.